Hello everyone, it's Rochelle and I am going to make a little cooking project today. So this is the recipe. Oh, that was my chapstick. This was a recipe to make some Play-Doh. So here's the recipe card right here, and I'm going to follow the directions step by step. So the first ingredient says 3 3/4 cups of flour. So, did everybody get one of these at their home? So I have to tell you that I got some at my house too. And because the flour at our school, I'm at school right now, is such a big giant bag that I already measured it and it's in this bowl. So I use this big cup and I scoop 4 times. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. I put a little bit extra because sometimes Play-Doh gets kind of sticky. So the next thing that I need is some salt. And it says to have 3/4 cups of salt. So the 1/4 cup is this orange one, my favorite color. So, I wonder if we can, we can take them apart. Good. So I brought a little bowl of salt here. And if I have a 3/4 cup, then I need 3 of these. Okay. 1, 2. Oops, there we go. 3. Okay. Next, I need a 1.5 tablespoons of cream of tartar. So if you're making this at home and you don't have cream of tartar, that's okay. You can actually leave it out, or you can put a little splash of vinegar or some lemon juice. It kind of just helps the Play-Doh so it doesn't get yucky. It lasts, helps it last a long time. So we need 1.5. Okay, done. Now, I need to go get the water. So the water is boiling hot. This is the part that you should have your grown-up help you. So don't forget that Play-Doh is kind of something you should make with a grown-up. So it says we need to add 3 cups of boiling water. You know what I'm forgetting though? Before I add the water, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. So we need to add 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to put my oil in this bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. So I put my oil in this bowl because I want to add some coloring to this Play-Doh. And adding the coloring to the oil is a good step. So I'm going to make our Play-Doh my favorite color, which is orange. So I'm going to add some orange to my oil. I'm just using paint, but you can add food coloring or liquid watercolor. And if you don't have that at home, you can actually use an old marker. You could add the marker into a little cup of water, and then after a couple days, it turns into liquid watercolor, and you could use it to color your Play-Doh. So I hear my water and it's boiling, so I'm going to stir this up a little bit. And then I'm going to get out of the camera so I can go get my water. Okay, I'll be right back. might need to bring this with me. Okay, boiling water is so hot, so I'm being really careful. Okay, I'm carrying it slowly. So I need to make my Play-Doh. So I'm going to add a little bit of water into this bowl because that will help to mix the color. Okay, mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. I'm pouring it in. Okay. Oh, it's so gooey. Now I need to use my measuring cup and I'm gonna add a little bit more water. So, to fill it to the top. Can you see that steam? Oh, I don't know. Maybe you can't see it on a camera, but it is so hot. So there's 1, 2. And I added a little bit, a cup of water into this bowl. So that is what equals 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So now I'm going to stir, stir, stir with my spoon. Can you see all the ingredients were white and now it's turning orange? So now when the Play-Doh is a little bit mixed in, then I like to mix it the rest of the way with my hands. But remember that this is really hot. So this part is a good part for grown-ups to help. Once it gets cooled down, then kids will be able to mix it in. But at first, it's so hot. I'm even gonna put on some gloves. Okay, ready to mix. I'm gonna push it around and squeeze. This is how you make Play-Doh. So you just keep on mixing until it's all mixed together and you don't see any more white parts, just orange. I think I'm going to make some room so I can dump it out on my table. There we go. I don't need the bowl anymore. Okay. Ooh, it's so squishy and it's so warm. Okay. It's getting mixed. This is kind of where you can pretend like you're a baker. This process is called kneading. So you push, stretch it out, and then you fold it back up again. Push and fold, push and fold. Okay. Oh, I'm shaking the camera. My goodness, I'm kneading so hard. I'm gonna get all this Play-Doh that's on the table. All this flour, I mean. Push it in to our Play-Doh. Okay. What do you think? There it is. Some orange Play-Doh. It's still nice and warm, but I am going to take off my gloves. Let's see. Oh, yep, I can touch it now. Okay, I'm going to roll it like this into a ball. So if you make Play-Doh at home, you could roll it into a ball like this too. I have a little song that goes with it. It goes like this. I'm making a ball, a ball, a ball. I'm making a ball and it's really round. It rolled. Now I'm gonna make a pancake. Are you ready? I'm making a pancake, a pancake, a pancake. I'm making a pancake and it's really flat. Pancake. Okay, everyone, I hope that you enjoy Play-Doh and make some at your home soon. Goodbye.